For this recipe, I have finely chopped here the coriander leaves, the curry patta leaves, green chilies, one tomato. I have just taken out the pulp and I have chopped it, and 1 inch size of finely chopped ginger. And now for the vrat, we always take this kind of thing, that is singhoda ka atta or pani phal atta. It's basically water chestnut which is dried and then it's grinded into a powder, and it's flour basically. So I'm taking 1 cup of this flour, water chestnut flour or singhoda atta. Into it, it's a slight white creamish in color. I'm adding here salt. The salt which I'm adding here is the vrat salt, that is sendha namak, and I have added here 1 teaspoon of sugar, and mix it well. And now I will add water gradually into it and make a batter out of this. So we need the batter not too flowy consistency, and mix it well so that there is no lumps, and add water gradually. After mixing it, then I will add half of the chopped coriander leaves and the curry patta leaves, chopped ginger into it, and mix it again. We'll make the batter like we make the batter for pancake. That kind of batter we need here. And see, this is the consistency which we need. It's perfect. You can add grated carrots into it. It tastes good. You can add it too. Now I will grease a pan with some ghee and heat it. And now I will pour the batter here according to your desired size. You make it. I'm making a little bit small size, and now I will spread it into the tawa slowly. And at this time your heat should be in very low so that it doesn't burn. Let it cook a little bit slowly. It tastes yummy when it is cooked slowly. When one side is done, then I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes, the coriander leaves into it, and flip and apply a little bit of ghee here and just flip it to cook from the other side. So now it's time to flip it, and I'll flip it now slowly. See, it has been flipped well and it has been cooked well. See, the color has been changed. And now I will cook from the other side too for a few seconds, and I will take it out. Normally in vrat season, in Navratri, so we get a little bit of confused in what to eat and what not. So this is the perfect recipes which I have shared in few of my videos. You can go through the other videos too, where I have shared no onion, no garlic recipes. So you can go through. It's very easy to make and filling snacks or breakfast. So you can try this in your Navratri or any vrat, and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. So I have completed my pancakes, singhoda ka atta pancake. Serve it hot with some mint chutney, or without chutney also you can have it.